So, you up for a road trip? I hope so, because that's where we're going, on a trip. I think you'll like where we go. Hop in, plenty of room. We're in the new Tacoma, by the way. Come on. Now, some of you have probably never been to a really good nursery, a good quality nursery. You do your shopping at maybe Lowe's or Home Depot, and you just never been to a place that has a great selection and takes care of their stock, prunes it well, fertilizes it well, and this is one of those places. A cool guy and great products. So let's go in, talk to them. Well, I just had a good talk with Ed Donnelly and his wife Rachel, and we're planning something special that I'll tell you about in a few weeks, and maybe you'll be interested in it if you're anywhere in the East Texas area. But I just want to show you, if you're not familiar, like I said, if you're not familiar with a really good nursery, well laid out. I mean, I've gone to some that were just, well, I think I've got one of those trees over here, and I think I've got, and you know, just not well laid out. I mean, you can see it's just like little soldiers in rows over here. It's just the way it's laid out and everything. It's just really, really nice. But this is Bob Wells Nursery at Sorelli Farms. Just some beautiful, beautiful stock. There's a nectarine. Their prices are not bad at all. You know, like I said before, you may go to one of the big box stores, and when summertime comes, they put all the trees on sale for $10, $15, maybe $20, and you say, boy, I'm getting a bargain. Well, first of all, summertime is not the time to plant a tree. So you're taking a risk just taking it home, and secondly, it's just not going to be the same quality. It has not received the same care probably as if you went to a good nursery. Now, you know, if you live up north, you may want to go to a nursery closer to you, because they may have varieties that are more conducive to your climate. But it just behooves you, in my opinion, to find a place near you that you can trust, and find some people in the nursery that work there that are knowledgeable about pruning and planting, and where, you know, where to plant the tree, how deep to plant it if it's a grafted tree. I highly recommend that you use a local nursery, or use someone that, like Bob Wells here, that ships and will ship to you. And you do get a 10% discount when you order online by using the discount code TP2. So again, just some beautiful stock. Foo-you persimmon, that's a good one. I've got two of them, got three of them actually. Foo-you persimmon. These are beautiful. That tree right there is 7 feet tall. 7 foot tall Foo-you persimmon for 45 bucks. I mean, you just can't beat that. And folks, it is time, I believe, to start planting fruit and nuts and vegetables, trees, berries. I think it's time to start thinking about your next meal, okay? Instead of planting a Bradford pear that looks pretty but will never produce anything, plant a pear that will produce something. I've got an Orient pear that is just so very prolific. It is just amazing. And I've got four pear trees right now, and one of them is brand new, so I can't really give you any information on it yet. But there's blueberries, probably 100 blueberries sitting there. Go over here and look. He's got some blackberries over here potted. He's got some bareroot blackberries, I think. One of them he sold out of. The Ark Freedoms he has only in pots, 1 gallon pots, which are going to be a little more expensive than bareroot. There's gooseberry, and I've never planted a gooseberry. Huckleberries. All the paths are laid out nice with fresh landscape cloth. You're not going to be walking in mud as you go around looking at all the plants. They have greenhouses back in the back for all the trees and such that would need protection, citrus, things like that. And I didn't even show you, didn't even walk back there, but you can see that back behind is just tons more. Those are probably going to be your ornamentals, probably nut trees and other ornamentals. I see some, maybe some juniper and some other things. I don't know ornamentals that well, so I'm not going to even talk about that. But I mean, it just keeps going for acres. So there's a good look at some of the other things they have going back there. Beautiful place to visit, and you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy your trip, and you won't come home empty-handed. I can almost guarantee you that. Look over here, this will be blackberries. Yeah, Wichita blackberry. Ark Freedoms. Looks like he's got about 50 or so, maybe 100 Freedoms. They are $10.95 each. And he just told me about his shipping. His shipping is like $22.95, and as many things as he can get in a box ships for $22.95. So if you buy 6 of these potted plants, 6 of these 1 gallons, all 6 of them will ship for $22.95. That's not bad. But these are all his blackberries. There's a good variety of blackberries. Anyway, go online and look. I'll have a link below. Make sure you mention me, TexasPrepper2, or just TP2. And if you order online, you use that as a discount code to get 10% off. And I really think you'll like his website. Very well laid out. I didn't even get over here to all these. I'm about to run out of battery. But this is just row after row after row of some beautiful trees. Pear trees. I mean, as far as you can see, just about, we got trees and such. And again, very well laid out. You don't have to, there's not going to be a mix-up. So that's important. You don't want to take a tree home or a plant home and nurture it and doctor it and grow it for 2 years, start getting fruit, and figure out that's not what you said you wanted, not what you ordered, not what you bought. So go to a place like this. Again, if you don't want to order online, go to a local nursery near you, but go to a place that just has some class. Okay, I mean, this place has just got class, and it shows. It really does. So I'm gonna go before the battery runs out. Little road trip. Hope you enjoyed it, and I've got some news to share in 2-3 weeks. So stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll let you know what's upcoming. Okay. All right. We're gone.